Tail.
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 Tail can be a noun, a verb, an adjective or a name. As a noun, tail can mean 1. The caudal appendage of an animal that is attached to its posterior and near the anus. 2. An object or part of an object resembling a tail in shape, such as the thongs on a cat o' nine tails. 3. The back, last, lower, or inferior part of anything. 4. The feathers attached to the pygostyle of a bird. 5. The tail end of an object, e.g. the rear of an aircraft's fuselage, containing the tailfin. 6. The rear structure of an aircraft, the empennage. 7. The visible stream of dust and gases blown from a comet by the solar wind. 8. The latter part of a time period or event, or collectively persons or objects represented in this part. 9. The part of a distribution most distant from the mode, as, a long tail. 10. One who surreptitiously follows another. 11. The lower order of batsmen in the batting order, usually specialist bowlers. 12. The lower loop of the letters in the Roman alphabet, as in G, Q or Y. 13. The side of a coin not bearing the head, normally the side on which the monetary value of the coin is indicated, the reverse. 14. All the last terms of a sequence, from some term on. 15. The buttocks or back side. 16. The penis of a person or animal. 17. Sexual intercourse. 18. The stern, the back of the kayak. 19. A train or company of attendants, a retinue. 20. The distal tendon of a muscle. 21. A filamentous projection on the tornal section of each hind wing of certain butterflies. 22. A downy or feathery appendage of certain achenes, formed of the permanent elongated style. 23. A portion of an incision, at its beginning or end, which does not go through the whole thickness of the skin, and is more painful than a complete incision, called also tailing. 24. One of the strips at the end of a bandage formed by splitting the bandage one or more times. 25. A rope spliced to the strap of a block, by which it may be lashed to anything. 26. The part of a note which runs perpendicularly upward or downward from the head, the stem. 27. A tailing. 28. The bottom or lower portion of a member or part such as a slate or tile. 29. A tailcoat. 30. Limitation of inheritance to certain heirs. As a verb, tail can mean 1. To follow and observe surreptitiously. 2. To hold by the end, set of a timber when it rests upon a wall or other support, within or into. 3. To swing with the stern in a certain direction, set of a vessel at anchor. 4. To follow or hang to, like a tail, to be attached closely to, as that which cannot be evaded. 5. To pull or draw by the tail. As an adjective, tail can mean limited, abridged, reduced, curtailed. As a name, tail can mean a Chinese constellation coinciding with the tail of Scorpius, one of the 28 lunar mansions, and the tail of Azure Dragon.
A goat's body and a serpent's tail.